Morning all of you. How are you all? Hope all are fit and fine. Now what we'll study today? We'll go with the second unit of our grammar book, that is subject and predicate. As you all have read that sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, right? Now today what we'll know? We'll know what is a subject and what is a predicate in a sentence. We'll proceed. Now for the main thing, we have to remember that there are the two main parts of the sentence. We have to know that sentence have two main parts. What are the two main parts? First is the subject and second is the predicate. Now coming to the definition of subject. What is a subject? The subject is the name of the person, place, animal or thing we are talking about in a sentence, right? It is called a subject. Now what is said over here, that a subject is the name of the person. It may be the name of the person, place, animal or thing. Anything. The four things what are mentioned over here, we are talking about. If we are talking about a person, if we are talking about a place, if we are talking about an animal, if we are talking about a thing, it is the subject part of a sentence. Now clear? हम जिसके बारे में बात करते हैं, जैसे अगर हम पर्सन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या हम किसी जगह के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या फिर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम एनिमल्स और हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो हमारे सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट पार्ट होता है. किसी भी सेंटेंस को शुरू करने के लिए वी शुड हैव अ सब्जेक्ट. आपके पास कोई भी बात करते हो आप किसी से तो यू टॉक विदाउट एनीथिंग. आपके पास कोई टॉपिक तो होना चाहिए ना. किसी बात को शुरू करने के लिए वी शुड हैव अ सब्जेक्ट, है ना. नाउ वी आर हैविंग टू टीच. इफ़ आई एम टीचिंग समथिंग तो टुडे आई एम टीचिंग सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. तो इट इज़ द सब्जेक्ट व्हाट आई एम टीचिंग यू. Okay, I should have a subject to teach you. Today's what is the subject is? My subject is to teach you is subject and predicate. ऐसे आपके पास भी होना चाहिए ना कोई subject. So what is said? एक sentence का subject शुरू करना है तो it should have the subject part is, it may be the name, place, animal or thing. Right? Now clear? Now what is a predicate? Predicate is a part of sentence that tells something about the subject is called a predicate. Now what is it? What is said over here, that predicate is that part of the sentence that tells something about the subject, what the subject is doing there. As we have got the subject, अभी हमें subject तो मिल गया, but subject वहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? वो subject person भी हो सकता है, वो subject animal भी हो सकता है, वो subject कोई जगह के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हो, या फिर it may be a thing what we are talking about. But what we are talking about, what is said about the subject. अब subject के बारे में क्या बात हो रही है वहाँ पे, है ना. जो क्या बात हो रही है ना, that is the predicate part of the sentence, right. subject के बारे में क्या बात हो रहा है, that is the predicate part. What is said about the subject is the predicate part of the sentence. Clear all of you? See one example here. The boy is playing in the park. And now what is the subject over here? I have already written the boy. Okay. हमारा यहाँ पे टॉपिक क्या? The boy. The boy is the subject जिसके बारे में अभी हम बात करनी है. हम लोग बॉय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना. बॉय के बारे में क्या बात कर रहे हैं? What the boy is doing? The boy is playing in the park. We have got the subject, we have got the predicate part. Now the sentence is complete. Yes, now the subject is complete. Right, now you can see here, to complete a sentence what we need? First is subject and a predicate. Now what is in the subject you can see. Now as per अभी मैंने जो example दिया, you can just see the example. A subject should have a who or what. Look, the boy. Who is playing in the garden? The boy is playing in the. Who is there? If I say some example that the ball is under the table. What is under the table? Now because वो thing है तो we use what. Okay. We can't use what for the person. Who, we use who for the person and what for the thing. Right. What is under the table? The ball is under the table. Right. Now who is playing in the park? The boy is playing in the park. Got it? Now what the predicate should carry? अब predicate में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? Subject में who और what होना चाहिए. Now what a predicate should have? A predicate should have a verb. What the subject is doing. Verb क्या होता है? Verb is then helping part of the sentence. If the verb is not there, the sentence is not complete. अगर वर्ब नहीं होगा तो आपको पता चलेगा सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, सब्जेक्ट किसके बारे में है और सब्जेक्ट क्या है. नो, यू वोंट अंडरस्टैंड. तो अ सेंटेंस शुड कैरी अ वर्ब ऑल्सो. सो द वर्ब इज इन द प्रेडिकेट पार्ट. जो प्रेडिकेट पार्ट होता है वहीं पे ही वर्ब होता है. लाइक प्लेइंग इज, द बॉय इज प्लेइंग इन द पार्क. वॉट इज द वर्ब ओवर देयर? प्लेइंग. एंड वॉट इज द वर्ब? वर्ब इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. वॉट द बॉय इज डूइंग, वहाँ पे डूइंग पार्ट क्या हुआ? प्लेइंग. सो वॉट द सब्जेक्ट इज डूइंग इज मैंशनड ओवर देयर. वहाँ पे मैंशन हो गया. उस सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है वो उसका एक्शन बता रहा है. द बॉय इज प्लेइंग इन द पार्क. नाउ क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? You have known that a complete sentence should have a subject and predicate. Subject should have who and what, and predicate should have a verb. What the subject is doing, it should have, right? Now you can see a subject is a naming part of the sentence and the predicate is the telling part of the sentence. Now I hope that now this chapter is very much clear to you all. Let's do some exercises, right? We'll find some subject and predicate over here. Bob is a footballer. The little tree was covered with snow. My friend and I won the match. There goes the teacher. On the way, I met an old beggar. Now these are all the sentences. But in these sentences, you have to find what is the subject and what is the predicate. See, here I have mentioned everything. From this you can understand what is the subject and what is the predicate. Here Bob is the subject and he is a footballer is a predicate. Why Bob is a subject? Because here what is said, we are speaking about someone. Who is someone? Bob. Whom we are speaking about? Who is a footballer? Bob is a footballer. What is Bob? Bob is a footballer. Is the verb over there. Bob a footballer लिख सकते हो आप? No, you can't write Bob a footballer. It is not a correct sentence. So we use verb. Is the helping verb. Okay, now here is the helping verb that completes the sentence, and footballer is what Bob is what is Bob? Now it is telling Bob is a footballer. यहाँ पे Bob क्या है वो बता रहे. What is a Bob? Bob is a footballer. So Bob is the subject, he is a footballer is the predicate part of the sentence. Now see the second sentence. The little tree was covered with snow. What was covered with the snow? Now here what? Why? Because tree is what? It is a thing. So हमने वहाँ पे who use नहीं किया. We have used what. What is covered with snow? The little tree is covered with snow. Now what is said about the little tree? यहाँ पे ट्री के बारे में क्या बताया है? That it is covered with the snow. The tree is covered with the snow. वो ट्री स्नो से कवर हो गया है. Now see the third sentence. My friend and I won the match. Here what is the subject? My friend and I. मैं और मेरा दोस्त. What we did? यहाँ पे क्या बताया है? They won the match. What is the action word over here? यहाँ पे verb won है. Won the match. And what was the action word in the second sentence? Was. Was is the helping verb. And in the third sentence, won is the action main verb, which is showing the action of both the friends. My friends and I. There are many friends, there are many children, and one person is talking about that my friends and I won the match. What did they did? They won the match. So my friend and I is the subject and won the match is the predicate part. Now come to the fourth sentence. There goes the teacher. There goes. Here there goes is not the subject. We are talking about the teacher. There goes. वो टीचर जा रही है. वो देखो टीचर जा रही है. तो किसके बारे में बोला जा रहा है? टीचर के बारे में. सो द टीचर इज द सब्जेक्ट हियर एंड देयर गोज, वो जा रहे हैं, तो देयर गोज इज द predicate part of the sentence. Sometimes the sentence differs, so you have to understand what the sentence is saying first. पहली बात तो आपको sentence का meaning आना चाहिए, right? Whenever आप अभी जब when you will learn further, you will come to know how to recognize the sentences, right? Now in the fifth sentence, on the way I met an old beggar. Now here what is said, that a person is talking about on the way, रास्ते में मुझे एक पूरा बहुत ही बूढ़ा बेगर मिला. बेगर मीन्स भीख मांगने वाला, ओके, जो भीख मांगते हैं, राइट. नाउ ऑन द वे आई, हु अ पर्सन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ, उसने बोला ऑन द वे मुझे, तो दैट मीन्स आई इज़ द सब्जेक्ट. किसको दिखाई दिया? मुझे. तो मुझे मीन्स आई मेट एन बेगर, तो मैं जब जा रहा था रास्ते में मुझे एक ओल्ड बेगर मिला. तो द फर्स्ट पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ, वो अपने बारे में बता रहा है कि रास्ते में मुझे. सो आई इज़ द सब्जेक्ट एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस आर आई ऑन द वे मेट एन ओल्ड बेगर. तो आई अगर सब्जेक्ट है, बाकी पूरा पार्ट हो गया हमारा प्रेडिकेट पार्ट. नाउ आई होप ऑल द थिंग्स आर क्लियर टू यू ऑल, राइट? Hope you have gone through the subject and predicate. I am sending you the PDF of all subject of the textual exercises. Do the things whatever it is written for the text, and whatever is mentioned to be written in the notebook, that should be written in notebook. Got it, all of you? Okay then, thank you all.